I don't remember seeing a name on it.
And you cover it with this? Oops.
I know it's a big box. I told you. Home Depot and Lowe's have boxes like that.
Oh wow, that's so huge.
But a lot of other places don't have boxes that big.
It's so huge, Abby.
It's pretty big. That's why I'm saying maybe it's Home Depot or Lowe's.
Did you put it here last night?
I don't know where it came from.
It's so huge. It's bigger than me.
I don't know where it came from.
Do you want me to open it?
You can open it up on the porch if you want to.
No, it's gonna cold in here. Oh, I can open it right here. Can you open it?
It's up to you.
Okay. Is it for me?
I don't know. I mean, it just showed up.
I'm the only one who has birthday. So
Well, I guess you're the only one that's got a birthday today, so maybe it's for you.
okay. Let's open it. But I know that this one came from a house. In our house. Because this gift wrapper. We have this, right? And the tape. I recognize this tape. You're the one who did this.
No,
And you're gonna telling me like,
no, I don't know where it came from.
Charles told me like, look, the car, what they call that?
Trunk lid.
The lid is like pop up.
Yeah, it did. It just
It's
popped
like,
up.
what? I don't get what it said. It's like, look at the car, and then there's a gift in here. It's like, oh.
It just all of a sudden popped up.
I was like, look, what happened to the car? The lid
Sometimes
popped
the
up.
electronics do strange things, you know.
Oh wow.
The more I look at it, the more I think, you know, it must be Lowe's.
Huh?
Must be Lowe's.
Lowe's?
It looks like a Lowe's box, doesn't it?
Maybe.
Does it look like a Lowe's box to you?
Do you wanna come closer here and see what it is?
It's looking like a Lowe's box to me. Yeah. Definitely looking like a
This
Lowe's
is
box.
just so big.
I know it must be a Lowe's box.
Like,
Yeah, it's almost as big as you are. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I think it's a Lowe's or a Home Depot
If
box.
it's from Lowe's, it's the flowers then.
Well, that's good because shrimpies like flowers.
Yeah. We just bought calamondin yesterday.
Yeah.
I thought that's what you get for my birthday.
Shrimpies, oh, they love flowers, yes. I bet you it is some flowers. Some nice flowers. Yeah, that's what I think.
Louis Vuitton.
Well, they make flowers too, don't they?
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do.
Oh wow, another Louis Vuitton.
They make flowers, don't
Just
they?
for like a few months ago.
They make flowers.
Ooh, wow.
Don't they have
And
flowers?
it's so big. What kind of bag is this? Is it a travel bag? Oh. Thank you for shopping. Louis Vuitton. That's all. Turn a dress. Wow. Getting cooler in here, huh?
I think they make flowers too.
Wow, this is so big, sweetheart. What is inside? Why is it so big? This,
Maybe it's a Louis Vuitton box with some Lowe's flowers.
try to trick me?
No.
Oh, wow.
Just wondering what's in it, that's all.
I don't want
It just showed up in the back of the car.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
I'm not kidding anymore. You can say that to me. Do you think I'm still a kid?
There's a little kid in all women.
Oh. Smells good. Ooh. That's a beautiful bag.
My goodness, how did that get in there?
Wow, it smells like leather. It smells so good. That's a beautiful one.
You know, somehow or another, that looks like an Alma PM bag to me.
Oh.
Denier, in Denier. That's
Huh?
what it looks to me like. It might be an Alma PM bag in denier.
Oh really? What engineer?
In denier.
Oh,
The-
mirror.
Denier, excuse me. Denier.
The mirror, a bin.
Denier a din. Yeah.
A bin.
A din.
Oh, that's so nice. It has a key over here. Oh, there's a cute tiny
Lock.
lock and a two key.
Whoa.
Two keys. Thank you, hubby. Thank you for. Ah, I love these. So cute. So we're gonna like. Where are we going today, sweetie? Where are we going today, right? That's so cute. I love it. Wow. I can put you inside, right?